This section of video covers the Phonics Packet for Mrs. Gutierrez's 2nd and 3rd grade reading intervention students. These packets are designed to focus on phonics, the sounds that letters and letter combinations make. You will see this packet presented with the cues that the teachers use during small group instruction. This should take your students 10 to 12 minutes to complete. The packet is stapled to the homework tracking sheet. The first page of the packet is the sound practice sheet. The cue sounds like this. Sound,
R,
sound,
J,
sound,
J,
sound,
E or I,
sound,
sound,
sound, sound,
J,
sound,
J,
sound,
S,
sound,
Z,
sound,
J,
sound, sound,
J,
sound, sound,
R,
sound,
S,
sound.
J.
The second page of the packet is the sight word practice page. The cue sounds like this. Word,
What,
word,
city,
word,
have,
word,
house,
word,
went,
word,
exciting,
word,
laughed,
word,
getting,
word,
said,
word,
schools,
word,
likes,
word,
to,
word,
here,
word,
to,
word,
all,
word,
first,
word,
because,
word.
out.
The third page of the packet is the word practice page. They say the sound followed by the word, like this. Sound,
R,
word,
darn,
sound,
R,
word,
yard,
sound,
J,
word,
jest,
sound,
J,
word,
edge,
sound,
J,
word,
pledge,
sound,
J,
word,
budge,
sound,
R,
word,
garth,
sound, word,
stern,
sound,
J,
word,
merge,
sound,
S,
word,
cinch,
sound,
J,
sound,
J,
word,
ginger,
sound,
J,
word,
margin,
sound,
J,
word,
surge,
sound, word,
buzz,
sound,
S,
word,
circus,
sound,
J,
word,
ridge,
sound,
R,
word,
yarn,
sound,
D,
word.
yelled.
The next page is a sentence practice page. They need to practice these sentences until by the end of the week they can read them fluently. Sentence number 1.
Park the car at the edge of the yard.
Sentence number 2.
The jar is on the ledge.
Number 3.
What is that? Jody asked.
Sentence number 4.
Buzz urged the bird to sit on its perch.
Number 5.
Stir the cinders to help them burn.
Number 6.
Then she sat cross-legged on her bed.
The last page of the packet is a story that is timed for 1 minute. You will need a timer and a pencil to mark their spot. When you set the timer, the student begins to read. You need to keep track of their errors as you will subtract them at the end of 1 minute. This will be completed as follows. Ready? Begin.
Mark was glad to have a new house in Richton, but he missed his pals. He had no pals in Richton. Mark's dog was Wizard. Mark and Wizard went to Richton Park. Wizard was glad to get out of the yard. He wagged and wiggled. He zigged and zagged. Then Wizard started to bark and run to a pond. Mark held on. Your dog has a lot of fun, said a girl. Yes, he likes parks, said Mark. Then the girl said, I'm Jess. I'm new here. I'm new here too. I'm Mark, said Mark. Wizard barked at ducks in the pond. He sniffed at a bench. He barked.
When the timer goes off, you put a bracket around where the student gets to. You may use the numbers at the end of the line and add words on the following line, or you may subtract from the end. I would mark this one as follows: 106, 107, 108, 109. The score is marked on words per minute on the tracking sheet and then signed by the parent. Make sure that you subtract errors if there were any errors that occurred during the reading passage.